Good. Nice, great job. Hey, your hand is blocking the.
Oh.
Your face. Yes. Nice. Beautiful. What's up, bro? Sorry.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. Nice to finally meet you. I like to document the first time I meet a new photographer.
Oh, really?
Because I have a lot of friends, right, who right now I've been like, it's been like long since I met them, and like when I look back at that first video I meet them, it's like it's so touching. I remember that time we met. Oh my god. So
You
I
should vlog
document-
often.
Yeah,
You should
yeah.
really vlog, yeah.
When I saw this as fun,
Yeah, nice to meet
first
you.
time meeting. Oh my god. Oh,
Hi.
turn here. Cool. Okay. I don't mind shooting here. Okay, I already found the first spot to shoot.
Yeah, sure.
I think here is cool. It's really the lighting and everything. This guy freaking funny. Like he was like, hey bro, you have quite the number of gear. Then he was like, not really. Then I'm just like, then he just took out 2 freaking cameras and just.
I was shooting on the A7C and the
What a humble brag. Oh, not really.
So 2 batteries are normal, so this is not bragging, 2 batteries are normal. It's a BTS, so this is Toon, this is Net, this is Toon, this is Net, this is Toon, this is Net, and this is me. Hello! Alright, we're going out. No worries. Years ago.
11?
Okay, cut that.
Huh?
Cut the 75, cut the
Why?
75. I don't want people to know my age.
Okay, it's out. It's out there. It's out there.
20.
No, 17 plus 11. Oh my god, she just got exposed too. Okay, she didn't say that. I'll cut that. Okay, so Nat, how long have you been modeling?
Maybe since I was. Okay, wait, I need to.
Yeah,
learn from
do your math.
mistakes.
Do your math.
Maybe like 4 years ish.
4 years.
Yeah, around there.
So
Yeah.
like this whole Instagram thing, like how do you like?
But the Insta,
Find
like I
them.
started doing Insta more often, like maybe like a year ago or something.
I just walk. Walk like that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, right up. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, one more time. Slowly, Wait. Okay, stop. Okay, to understand why I'm making her walk around, let me just explain. So, the other day I came across this work right here, and I thought, this is an awesome edit, and I thought, why not I recreate it with the help of 2 of my friends. Alright, so since now you're all caught up with the concept, let me just continue the video. Hey, shit.
Is it too fast already?
Well, hold on, Nat.
You look like a ghost, but it's nice. A ghost. No.
No.
Cannot see your face.
Oh,
Cannot see your face. Yeah, but you look like a ghost.
So I'm just gonna. No, like diagonal just now. Same. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Think what?
Yeah, can. Go. Okay, can.
So how does it feel walking up the stairs?
So now since we're back from the shoot, all you have to do is basically you bring Natasha's still photo into Photoshop and you bring all the other shots of her walking around her in also. So basically what I did was basically I just select and mask out the shots of her walking in and place it into the still shot of her. Then after that what I did was I go to filter, blur gallery, then after that I went to path blur, then after that I just do the blur towards the direction which she's walking, and voila, that's how you get that shot which we saw earlier on.
Last. 1, 2. Perfect. Right. Okay, stand this side a bit.
That. Then you hold like that. Then look out like that. Okay, right, you look there. 3, 2, 1.
You got a lot of cars coming. Keep shooting, keep shooting.
Down this way. I like the yellow one, it's quite cool.
The yellow very striking, huh?
The yellow quite striking.
Oh, that's
Oh,
nice.
Yeah, I gotta appreciate Asman for helping me with this also. Okay, you know what, I'll just put this.
Alright guys, so that's all for today guys.
Follow
So
us on our journey today. And stay tuned for the photos from
and then yeah, we shall catch you guys in the next video guys, alright? Okay, bye bye! I have to go nearer there. From there, it changed the perspective.
Are you filming this entire thing?
Yes, I am filming.
I hope you're not filming the road though.
I hope I am not. Yeah, so I cannot lose
It's like
it.
all this time you're just filming.
Okay, so disclaimer: if I'm filming the road, okay, he's gonna add animation of people talking, right?